To enroll in online banking with TD Bank, start by opening the TD app on your mobile device. On the home page, tap the Sign Up option. Next, choose your account type, which may be personal, small business, or both. You will then need to enter your details, including your social security number, TD Bank ATM or Visa debit credit card, email address, and account number. After entering this information, toggle the required option and tap Continue. You will be prompted to accept the e-signature agreement and the online banking agreement. Following this, enter your first and last name, email address, account type, account number, ATM or debit card number, and social security number. Create a username for your TD Bank online banking account. Re-enter it, and then create a new password. Confirm your password by entering it again and tap Continue. You will then be taken to the Terms and Conditions page, where you must tap Accept. Enter your phone number and choose to receive a call or text with a security code. After entering the security code, you will be asked to enter your current security email and confirm the information. Tap Submit and Finish to complete the enrollment process. Once you tap Continue, you will have successfully enrolled in TD Bank's online banking account.